Do I need new wipers? Good blades are key to your wiper's performance. Good blades give you high visibility while driving in rain and snow. But all wiper blades wear out over time. You might see streaking on the windshield. You might also hear a chattering sound when in use. Or there might be splits and cracks in the wiper blade rubber. Some wipers even have wear indicators that turn a different color when it's time to replace. But if they're relatively new, try cleaning them first. Wipe each blade with Motorcraft windshield washer fluid. If that doesn't help, or if you notice any of these signs, it's probably time to replace your wipers. Regardless of wear, we suggest replacing your blades at least every 12 months, depending on conditions where you live. And remember, Ford Service is here to help. Call your local Ford Service to schedule an appointment with our Ford trained technicians. At Ford Service, every part counts.